Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can read by the title, I am doing another unboxing video. I actually filmed this video last week when I filmed the Jordan 1s UNC Off-White video, but I accidentally deleted all of my video clips, so I lost all of the footage and I went through a whole long process of like downloading stuff to get the clips back. That didn't work, blah blah blah. So here we are recording that video again. I'm still kind of annoyed that that happened, but nonetheless we're gonna keep pushing through. We're gonna be here with this unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I ended up getting, what I have to say, hear what I have to say, see them on, all of that, stay tuned. And yeah, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. So as you guys saw in the title, I got some Margiela Tabi boots. I have been wanting Margiela Tabi boots for the longest, like forever. I was going to get them in December of 2018, but I decided to buy Christmas presents instead. I decided to be a good person and buy Christmas presents for my family, so I pushed back my shoes and I ended up getting Christmas presents, which, you know, I'm a good person, so yeah, I'm a good noodle. So I we into June now, June 2019, and SSENSE has their annual sale, which they had their sale back in December and they have it again now. It started at the end of May into June, so this is their sale again. And I just added stuff to my wish list. You add stuff to your wish list so you can keep up to see when like things drop in price or when they go back up and all of that. So one Friday morning I woke up and I was like, let me go on SSENSE, and I saw that the boots dropped to, I believe, $557 from $980 to $557, and I was like, oh Bria, you gotta cop them now. So I copped them. It was free shipping because once it's over $200 you get free shipping. So with tax it came up to $579. So I got my boots. I'm super excited. I'm still in awe that I even have them because, like I said, I've been wanting them for so long, and there's so many outfits and looks that I have in mind that I want to wear. So I'm just super excited that I have them now. So yeah, so this is the box. If you don't know, Margiela boxes have like the numbers in the front, and it's like one of the numbers is circled, so it has like all the numbers. All their boxes are like that, and it says Maison Margiela Paris, as you guys can see. I love their box. I love how sleek and clean it is. It's white, it has the numbers real light, nothing crazy. And then on the side we have the SSENSE tag, because you know that's where I got it from. 37, I got it Italian 37. And so yeah, this is it. All right, so without further ado, let's open the box. So at the top you have like the little it comes with like little footies. Looks like little footies. Pretty sure this is where you put, obviously if you want to travel, obviously you're not gonna bring this big ass box with you when you travel, so you just put the shoes in here. It comes with two, one for the left foot, one for the right foot, obviously, and you can travel with these. So that's at the top. And then we have the paper, and we open it. These are so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy that I have these. They're so bomb. So yes, I got the white pair. So cute. As you guys don't know, the Tabi boots has like the little camel toe looking boots. Everybody call it the camel toe boots. It's like the little camel toe thing, if you can see it from the bottom. It separates your big toe with the rest of your toes. So you can't wear regular socks with this. That's basically it. You gotta get the little tabby socks. So yeah, this is it. White at the top. I wanted the white one so bad because I feel like I can wear them with so many different outfits. I have a couple white boots already, but it's all like over the knee or high boots, so I haven't had like a sleek, easy, short heel white boot. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get them. And I love how sleek it is because it's all white. I love that. It's not like a wooden heel or anything like that. I love the all white look. It's so bomb. And then at the bottom it's wooden, so I like that. And again, the same thing that's outside on the box. It has like all the numbers. The number 22 circled. It says Maison Margiela Paris. It has size 37 right there, the size that I am. And it says made in Italy because it is made in Italy. Also, I love how the white continues in like the bottom heel, but it is a little wooden. It's just in white. Yeah, this is, these are so bomb. And then with the how you tie up the shoe, it doesn't, not really tie because it doesn't have laces. It has like these hooks, so you hook it in. So I love that about it. It's not like a zip or a lace, it's like the hook. So it's definitely very like hooves, very animal-esque, very like very cow, giving you cow vibe, giving you camel vibes. It's Wednesday, it's hump day, and we are here with the tabby boots. So yeah, like I said, I got these in a size 37. Like I told you guys, I did try them on already, and they are true to size. When you first put them on, they do fit really tight, but that's because it is like European, Italian made. So I feel like their fit is a little bit smaller than us, so it does, when you first put your foot in, it is very like close and tight. And also this is leather, so it is very close. But as I walked around my house in them, literally in the 5 to maybe 10 minutes that I walked around my house in them, they already started to stretch. So I can say definitely get your size. It's true to size. If you are trying to buy them, definitely check out the size guide to make sure that which Italian size is right for you. I do know that I'm a 37, so I just trusted that and I got it. So I'm happy that I didn't go up or didn't go down in sizing. But yeah, I'm super excited about these. I love the look of it. I love the detail in it. It just looks very well made, and like I said, true to size. I will link in the description box this shoe if it's still available, because I don't know, and I will link other options from like other websites and SSENSE and the Margiela website itself. So yeah, I will link that so you guys can check it out and shop. Hopefully the sale, I mean not hopefully, the sale is still going on SSENSE, but and there's a sale on Barney's and Farfetch. There's a couple websites that I'll link below with the boots so you guys can copy your own. But I'm super excited for these. I cannot wait to wear them and can't wait to style them. Definitely guys, follow me on Instagram at Brea Van Kooten so see all the looks that I put together with these. I'm definitely going to be wearing these in the summer, and obviously when fall comes around, it's going to be a bomb ass fall statement. And I freaking love these. Like, it's definitely an acquired taste. These boots are not for everybody. Not everybody likes these like hooves like the camel toe look, or can pull them off or wear them, but I love these. I can't wait to wear them. They're very different, very intricate, very versatile, very up my alley, and I'm just excited to have them. You guys can read by the title, I copped me a Balenciaga hoodie from the Barney's sale. Yes, Barney's had a sale, as well as SSENSE. Couple, you know, designer people. Farfetch has a sale, Nordstrom has a sale, Saks Fifth Avenue has a sale. You know, a couple places have a sale going on right now, so your girl cop some things, because why not? And why not get designer pieces on sale? Because especially this hoodie, because this hoodie that I got right now was originally $1,000, $1,060 to be exact, plus tax. So it would have been like $1,100. So yeah, let's get into what I got. So last week I was on Barney's website. I was looking through, and I was looking at the Speed Hunters Balenciaga's hoodies and t-shirts and all that. I had them all in my wish list because I was planning on copping one of those for this sale, this designer sale that was going on. And I was on Barney's and I saw the hoodie pop up, and I'm like, I'd rather, you know what, Brea, I'd rather get a hoodie than get a t-shirt, because I feel like I have so many t-shirts, and I feel like I don't have a lot of hoodies, and I feel like a hoodie will last me a little longer. So, and I could wear that throughout the fall and winter. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get me a hoodie. The hoodie popped up on Barney's, and it was like the best deal out of like all of the hoodies and t-shirts that I saw. So I saw that already. I was like, all right, I'm gonna add it to my wish list. Boom. The night I was about to order it, Barney's had an additional sale. So it was already a sale, and then it was additional 15% off. So I was like, oh, this is my chance. I'm getting it. Boom. So the hoodie went from $1,060, like I said, to, it was $419, and with the additional 15% off with tax, because I just ordered it to pick up in store at Barney's, with tax it came up to $387. So I definitely saved a cute coin from $1,060 to $387. So yeah, this is the hoodie, which I know people watching this is still like, that is a lot for a hoodie, but when you're thinking about $1,056 or $1,060 or whatever to this is a good ass deal, and I'm happy with my purchase. So yeah, so we got the Barney's bag. I went into Barney's to go pick it up, you know, so real cute or whatever. Like I said, I did this unboxing already, so all the paper is off, is gone. I just threw this back in the bag. So yeah, so I got the hoodie. So cute. Oh my god, like the material, guys, and I'm not dragging it, I'm not being dramatic, but the material is so bomb. Like you can feel the luxury in the material. Like you feel it. It doesn't feel like no regular H&M Forever 21 hoodie. Like you feel the difference. It feels so luxurious and so bomb. The only thing that I said when I was trying it on, I wish that the hood part, because it obviously I had on makeup when I filmed it first, so I got a little makeup on it, but this part for the head is so tight. Like I wish that it was a little bit more stretchy. Like you can see, look, it doesn't give that much. So that would be my only negative about this hoodie, because obviously when I do finally wear it, I'm gonna have to put this on and then do my makeup. Like I can't do my makeup and then put this on, because my whole face is gonna be in this hoodie, because it really is no stretch. But other than that one detail, the hoodie is fire. Like, and it's stretched, that's the thing, it's stretched everywhere else except the head part, and that's annoying AF, but whatever. It has the drawstrings, so you can pull it and make it tighter. Inside, of course, it says Balenciaga, you already know. And yeah, this is the one that I got. There are a couple designs, but this is the one that I got. I really like this because I really liked the green. Like I loved the green in this. It's so vibrant. Definitely slime, definitely give you Nickelodeon slime gas, all that. It definitely gives you like glow in the dark vibes. And of course, if you don't know, Speed Hunters is just a made-up band. It's a made-up band that Balenciaga made up just for the sake of their collection. That's pretty much it. It's not a real band, nothing at all. It's just a made-up band tee, band hoodie that they did. So yeah, so Speed Hunters on the top, has the fake group in the middle, which obviously are models, and then it says Balenciaga at the bottom. I just love this design. It's so fire. And then in the back, it has some made up tour dates. They took it to the next level and they even added tour dates. So it says Speed Hunters again, and then it's some like made up tour dates. I love the print of it. It's one of those prints that you gotta like squint your eyes, because it's like so weird. But I really like this. Made up tour dates in the back, and then of course it says Balenciaga again at the bottom. And another thing which I love, it has pockets. I love me anything with a pocket in it. So yeah, it has pockets. I'm super excited about this purchase. I like how it fits. It fits, it still fits a little close, but then it still has like a nice oversized vibe to it. I wish there was still a size small, because I probably would have gotten a small, so it could be a little bit, because I like my hoodies and jackets and stuff to be a little bit oversized, but that's like a small minor detail. It's not bad. I just like hoodies and stuff to fit a little big, but that's just first world problems. So this is so freaking cute. I'm so excited. This is my first like Balenciaga clothing item. I have my Balenciaga the sock speed trainers. I got those when I was at Paris, the the neon green one. So that's I have a Balenciaga shoe, but it's my first Balenciaga like clothing item. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. This is so bomb. And I just noticed it has like little speed hunter things going down on it. Like it's like little details that you just notice as now that you have it, because I've been watching this on social media and just online for a while. So I'm just happy that I have this purchase. So shout out to all the little places having like designer deals and all that, and I will link this sweater in the description box. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I can't wait to style it and wear it when fall and winter comes around, and definitely will be styled with those Margiela boots as well, because I see a look in my head that is gonna come to fruition. But yeah, if you guys like this video, you already know, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let's chat if you would like. And yeah, if this is your first time watching my channel and you would like, you already know, hit that subscribe button. It'll be greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah, peace, love,